Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is for chili lovers. I'm going to make a nice pickle. It's Mirchi ka Achar, which is green chili pickle. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. Remove the stalks from the green chilies and cut it into 1/4 inch pieces. If you like it bigger, you can cut it into 1/2 inch pieces also. So I have taken about 100 grams of green chilies. I have 100 grams of yellow mustard. I'm going to grind it to a nice coarse powder. Take the chopped green chilies in a bowl. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, the juice of 2 lemons. Mix the chilies well and keep it aside. Take a pan. To this add about 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil gives a very unique flavor to the pickle. Once the oil is hot, add 4 tablespoons of yellow mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek powder. Keep the flame on low. Cook it for about 2 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. After 2 minutes, add the chopped green chili which has been marinating in salt, turmeric powder and lemon juice. Now turn off the stove. You can bottle this green chili pickle and refrigerate it and use it maybe within a week or 10 days time. It's a very nice and simple recipe that you can try with green chilies. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.